100 milligrams indica fruit gummies. What's up, guys? This is day 3, Los Angeles. We're about to head to Japantown. I need to get some water and go to the Broad, Melrose, and seeing what else we can get into today. Let's get it. I'm gonna go to Japantown, get some water, and then I gotta wait for this to charge up. Still trying to figure out this camera, but I like how you can track it while you hyperlapse, and it's pretty smooth too. I was just walking regularly. See, I haven't been through this entrance, front entrance. I like these. This is the place I went into yesterday. I didn't notice this area. Hey, the first time seeing hard kombucha. It's German candy. That's what I had there. They have a bigger selection now. I came too early yesterday. Ooh, glass jelly unagi. They had a little sushi bar over there. They had an even bigger selection than yesterday. So now, I didn't know what this was yesterday, so now I do. This is really good, I like it. And I've never had this Korean pancake. I've never had yeah, I think I've actually had this. It tastes flavorful. It tastes really good. It's hard to explain. It's like, it tastes similar to chow mein. It's the unagi. Ooh. Ooh, this red shrimp. Oh, it's pretty good. A little bit dry, but this unagi is really good. First time trying Korean pancake. Looks like tomatoes. Tastes like shrimp, green onions. This is really good. Man, I had to get the seaweed. Jasmine green tea. Yeah, the jasmine tastes different than matcha. So now I got my camera charged, about to head out to the other part of Japantown. That's the main Plaza center. So the main plaza is right down the street from the Airbnb. And they're doing like construction right now for a building. And this is gonna be new Tokyo Arts District Station. Little area. I mean, it like branches off into 3 different directions. I think I'll go into the cafe, get a drink. Man, these all look really good. The green tea donut.
Nope.
Ooh. It's really good. This is really good.
Yeah, that's
sweet. It's not too sweet though.
Opsy.
But this is the Hong Kong milk tea. Ooh, nice. I like that.
Yeah, yesterday was.
I'm not sure what. I think it's like Earl Grey tea.
Don't forget.
Plus milk, but it's not that sweet. I like when teas are not really that sweet. So you got the Korean
Much
short
better
ribs,
than last night.
and then that. Oh, that's kimchi right there. And then this is bean sprouts, and then rice.
Yep.
Nice. You said it was better than last night?
Yep.
New stuff?
Nice.
Nice. How's the beer?
I don't know how to say it's good in Asian, so I'll just, yeah, everything in Asia
These are really
is
good.
always fresh. That's why they have to come.
Right.
That's why they come to America to show Americans how to really do things.
I heard that Germans are really good at baking.
Like German chocolate cake.
Got some clothes at Japangelis, just a shirt and a hat. Man, this area is pretty cool. They have all sorts of different shops.
Pretty boy Gamma on the beat.
So from the Japantown all the way to the Broad, we had to walk up a couple hills. But next to the Broad is the Walt Disney Museum. We'll probably just only check out the Broad though. So they said we need to buy tickets online before we show up. I didn't even think of that before I came here. So I'm gonna end up coming back tomorrow. I already bought the ticket for 10 a.m. Had to stop in a cafe. I had to use the bathroom. But we're in Melrose. We're gonna go check it out. It's the first time being in Melrose. This is the longest time I've been in LA. Last time I was in LA, I was just here for a couple days. I was doing a show downtown. One of my homies hooked me up and we like perform music out here. But originally I wanted to move to LA, but I ended up moving to the Bay Area instead. Lived there for 6 years. Crazy how life works. Ryan's trying to show me a drone spot. Secluded area. Whoa, so. About to head into Cookies and Kicks, see what we can find. It's really nice out today. It's actually nice when the sun goes down because it cools down a little bit. So I just went into Koreatown Collective. I got some edibles. They just needed to see my ID. I got some stuff. It was indica, but it cost me $15 plus $3 if I use a debit card. If you use cash, it's cheaper. This other store right here, Antidote, it's just CBD, it's not THC.
It's CBD, not THC.
100 milligrams indica fruit gummies. saw some stuff that looks pretty good, but I just had to use the bathroom. It's a nice night tonight. It's not even that chilly. They got some Thai food, mango sticky rice, and pad Thai. So I got dumplings, chicken biryani, rice, and it's all in the same area. The Indian food is over there in the gray tent, and then the Indonesian food is right next to it. But they said they're out of satay. They only had like noodles and dumplings, but I took the last dumpling. This has a chili oil on it, but it's not too spicy. Tastes good. It's light, but it's not seasoned too much either. But it tastes good, especially with the chili oil. This is a chicken biryani. It was around $10. Let's try it. It's a chicken biryani with rice. Nice, I like that. The rice is basmati, but it's mixed. It's not just yellow and white. It's like yellow and white rice. But the spices in the Indian food is really good. And it's not heavy. It feels light. Feels good.